According to the National Electrical Code, standard installations require copper water lines to be at least 6 inches from the main electrical panel unless they are enclosed in a metal raceway or grounded to the panel. There is an exception to this rule. If the electrical panel is located in a non-combustible location and the water lines are protected by a thermal barrier or insulation that meets specific requirements, the minimum distance can be reduced to 3 inches. The National Electrical Code does not specify a distance requirement for sink drain pipes in relation to the main electrical panel. However, it's generally recommended to maintain a reasonable separation for safety purposes. This helps prevent accidental contact with electrical components or wiring. It is important to note that some local building codes might have their own additional requirements regarding the proximity of drain pipes to electrical panels. To ensure compliance, always consult your local building codes. As a general safety practice, always keep electrical wires and plumbing lines well separated. This separation helps to prevent electrical shorts and potential damage to the plumbing system. To enhance electrical safety, especially in areas near water sources, it's highly recommended to install ground fault circuit interrupter outlets. GFCI outlets are designed to quickly cut off power in the event of a ground fault, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Consider using plastic or PEX cross-linked polyethylene water lines. These materials are non-conductive and do not require grounding, further enhancing safety. Always consult with a qualified electrician or plumber for specific guidance tailored to your particular installation. They can assess the specific layout and conditions of your home and provide recommendations that comply with all applicable codes and regulations. This information is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice from a qualified electrician or plumber. Electrical and plumbing work can be dangerous, and it's crucial to follow all safety precautions and comply with all applicable codes and regulations.